Hello and welcome to IM Labs. In this video, we will show how to install and use Nmap port scanner tool in Windows. For that, we need to go to our browser and type here nmap.org, the official website of Nmap. From here, we need to go to downloads and download the Nmap Windows installer, which is the latest version. From here, we will download the Nmap 7.9.1 setup.exe file. So here the file is getting downloaded. Let us just wait for the download to get finished. The download has finished. Now we will just click on the setup file and run it. So here is the license agreement. I agree. Now here there is another good option present here, ZenMap GUI frontend. So from here we can also install the ZenMap GUI in Windows. So I will click on next. I will change the path where I want to install the Nmap. And now I will click on install and wait for the installation to finish. Now it will set up the npcap. So I click on agree and install. So npcap is getting installed. So therefore my Nmap installation has been completed. Now we can use Nmap in two ways. If we want to use the command line interface, we need to go to CMD. From here we need to go to the exact directory where Nmap is. So first I will go to my F drive where I will install my Nmap and I will do cd nmap. From here, now we will just need to run the normal nmap commands. Suppose if I want to scan any IP, nmap-p, and I want to scan the port number 80 and the IP address is of my router. So here the nmap has started scanning the IP and check that the port number 80 is opened or not. The host is up and port number 80 is also opened. There is another way. If I want to do it from GUI, you can see in my desktop the ZenMap GUI has come. So from here we can just set the target here and we can give our here are the scan profiles, pre-built scan profiles that you can select, or here you can just give your own commands so that Nmap scans accordingly. So again I will run the same command and start the ZenMap GUI. The scan has started and the scan has also finished. The port number 80 is open. So this is how you can install and run Nmap in Windows and also use the ZenMap GUI version. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.